Hello everybody, welcome back to Do Reviews. Today I'm trying to KFC Sweet Lightning. I cannot talk very well, I'm not feeling that great. But I haven't uploaded in a while, so I'm gonna be doing a review and a food review too. I got some things here I'll review later, but let's open this up. KFC Sweet Lightning, only available at KFC. I got two of these, one with ice and one without the ice. Here we go. Let's pour it in. Okay, so here it is. Orange yellow color. Yeah, kind of orange. Let me give it a smell. Yeah, it smells like orange. I cannot smell that well, but it does smell like orange. I have had this, a lot of people say they don't like it, but I like it. So, let's give it a try. Yeah, it tastes like orange citrus. Pretty good. I like orange things, so this is pretty good. Yeah, I would give this an 8 out of 10. Now, what I always get, 5-piece tenders with chicken sandwich. So, let's do the review of the tenders here. Empty out those fries. So, here's the tenders. They look really good. These are really good. So, let's try them. Very good. I love the tenders here. Oh no, I dropped it. Hold on. Yeah, anyway, I like these. So, hold on, let me soup first. Yeah, I don't eat with my mouth closed because I like to be obnoxious and never mind, but now let's try the fries. The fries, I remember these used to be so great. They used to be so crispy, golden, really good, but now, they've gone down. But anyway, let's give them a try. They're still pretty good. Oh, that's hard. That one was hard, what the heck? Yeah, still pretty good. A little bit dry, though. Not the best. The flavor of them, they do put some good seasonings on them, though. I like the fries, but the old ones, those were the best. Those old fries, I love those. Also, I got my Schlitzie shirt on. Shout out to Memento Mori. That's a really cool shop. This is Schlitzie. Of course, nobody knows him because y'all are stupid. He's one of the most charismatic figures in history. Anyway, let's have some more of this. Wash down that. Those fries were a little bit dry. Now, onto the biscuit. I usually never eat the biscuit from anywhere. I just don't like that much, but I've not tried the KFC biscuit yet, so let's try it. Maybe it'll be good, but I don't like it. I don't think I will, but let's try it. Biscuit, not for me. Nope. Just like crumbled in my hands. Oh, I got something on there. Biscuit, nah, not for me. Get that out of here. Now, try the sandwich. I always get original. I have tried the spicy. That one was really good. But I usually just get the original if it's from KFC. I always get the spicy one from Popeyes. But anyway. Ooh, look at that. That looks good. Oh yeah, this looks good. They put pickles on it. I don't mind pickles, but anyway, let's try this. Oh, a pickle. Yeah, this doesn't quite, the chicken doesn't quite taste like the tenders. It's got more meat on it. The sandwich, really good. Except for the pickles. I forgot to ask for no pickles, but the sauce on here, I don't know what the heck that sauce is, but it's good. Nobody make jokes about that. I know somebody's gonna make a joke about that. Just no. Is this a sandwich? Anyway, I wanna try this again. Sure, you can have some. Yeah, sandwich really good. Look at that bun. It's toasted. Pretty good sandwich. KFC, really good restaurant. 10 out of 10 for me. Except for that biscuit. That biscuit was a little sus. I did not say that. No. No. Okay, I'm ending it. No, never mind. I did not say that. Anyway, next week I'm doing all three of the Bajas. Baja Flash, Baja Blast, Baja Punch. I'm doing all of those 3 reviews next week. So that'll be cool. I still have a bunch of the cans left, so I will be doing a review on that next week. And then after that, I'm gonna be doing, pretty soon here, I'm gonna be trying to Flamin' Hot and Cake Smash with 2 special guests in 2 separate videos, but that'll be pretty cool. I'm looking forward to that. I have had Cake Smash, not had the Flamin' Hot yet, but anyway, this has been another video from Dew Reviews. Make sure to like and subscribe. Anyway, peace.